Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a story. The Sailor and the Monkey. Once upon a time, there was a sailor. He was going to another country with his ship in a vast sea. Suddenly he lost his direction in a violent storm. It broke his ship and he fell into the water. He was struggling in water for saving his life. The storm threw him on an island and he lost his sense. Next day he found himself alone on the bare island. He looked around, but there were no traces of his broken ship. He became hungry and thirsty and was feeling exhausted. In search of food and water, he went to all parts of the island. Unfortunately, he could not find anything. Finally, on the coast, he found coconut trees full of coconuts. But he could not know to climb up the tree. He looked at the tree tops and saw the monkeys. He thought of a plan. The man knew that the monkeys can imitate the man's activity. The sailor then threw stones at the monkeys. The monkey also threw coconuts at the sailor. Finally, he got both food and drink. Moral: intelligence is the power. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.